you like to furthermore test that it is simplified instead of using the...
Sure.
Yeah, okay. Any other times we use semicolons?
You said commas.
Mm-hmm. So in conclusion, there's a reason why I had a semicolon t-shirt on the front there. Because the backside of the t-shirt is semicolon is not used enough, and comma is used too often. Which I think is actually not true. I'm bad at that myself.
But while you, okay, maybe while
No,
you did
go
the
ahead.
research, but also I have like this impression that the usage of semicolon, it's also a bit tough to know when to use
It
it.
is very tough.
And then when you know how to use it and are confident in using it, you're more a sophisticated writer. Like
that
your
is,
paper
yeah,
looks
it's very
more
true. Part of what this phrase here says is, if you looked at the sentence we had earlier with a list of commas, you could technically write them out with all commas, but it's much easier to misunderstand. So the writing becomes more sophisticated, more professional if you know how to use semicolons. It's important that you know how to use it. If you use it wrong, it doesn't look nice at all.
Yeah, that's why I use a comma.
And you know, in a lot of texts about semicolon, people say that semicolon is actually kind of fancy to writers too, because not a lot of people know about it. When we asked you how many of you use it, only a couple of you raised your hands. But at the same time, we don't actually need it, meaning we can instead use a comma, or we can just start a new sentence. Therefore, we can't do without commas. That's why we use them and try to learn how to use them. But semicolon, because we can't do without it, that's why we don't even look into the rules. But exactly. But once you know how to use it, first of all, and for me the most important thing when you use semicolon is that you show your reader that you are a sophisticated writer, and that you understand, for example, that these two sentences are connected and they have similar idea. And not only do you help your writer to understand your papers more, but also you show your intellect, I guess you can
But
say that.
also the paper looks better if especially long ones, when you have variety in punctuation.
Exactly. And just for the variety of punctuation and to kind of span your style of writing, it's great too. And it's as we've seen, it's not actually as difficult to use as it sounds too. Exactly. So we just really want to encourage you to use more semicolons.
So, I'm just going to show a cartoon as the last thing before we're going to start with an activity here. And let me know, who wants to read this first of all? Anybody? You want to read it?
Okay, but I forgot my glasses, so I'll it's a fast-paced words. Nobody was time for semicolon anymore. Here.
So, is it used correctly or incorrectly in this cartoon?
Correct.
What was that?
Correct.
Correct.
I
Who's-
think it's correct.